Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I have an unboxing of a curated bead box. I got this in April. I've been out of town for a couple of months, and I came back and I've got a bunch of curated bead box packages. I thought I had paused my subscription, but I didn't. Anyway, we're going to unbox this one called Sunshine Lollipops. And my 4-year-old granddaughter's helping me out a little bit today. All right, let's see what the theme is.
Wow!
Oh, Sunshine Lollipops.
You like that, guys?
I do like that. Let's see. I'll be honest with you, I've actually really missed not getting these boxes. But this year, I've been trying to put a pause on purchasing things. All right. Get this open. There we go. Oh, pretty stuff. Here, just keep them right there. So I'm going to scooch these over and I'm going to show you the box here. It has a list of everything that's in here. And then right here it mentions about, what are they calling this?
I don't know.
The Finding Starter Kit, which is this right here. But I'll just do this so you can look at it.
You show them this. And look at this.
All right, let's dig into the box here. Everybody went outside and got some peace and quiet. But these beads are 10mm orange blossom spray glass beads, about a 10.5-inch string. They have orange in them, kind of a light orange, and specks of pink and white. And these are really pretty. They do look like orange blossoms. These next beads are 10mm strawberry red glass pearl beads, about an 8-inch string. Aren't they pretty? And the next beads are also 10mm beads. Aren't these pretty? They're calling them a light turquoise crackle glass bead. It is an 8-inch string. Honestly, to me, this is not turquoise. Especially not a light turquoise, but it is a really, really pretty blue, and you can kind of see the crackling in there. It kind of glitters a little bit. So far, these are my favorite in the box. All right, the next thing we have here are some 8mm beads. They're red spot marble style glass beads, and we have about a 10.5-inch string. These are really pretty. They do have kind of a raspberry red tint to them with some blue, and I guess it's kind of pink in there. Boy, don't these look nice together. This is a very well curated box so far, and I really like these beads. So next we have 8mm orange spot marble style glass beads, about a 10.5-inch string. And they're definitely orange, and the speckles in these beads are kind of a light orange. Now these next beads are 8mm lemon quartz gemstone beads, about a 7 to 8-inch string. It's a very pale yellow. I always love yellow. Now these next beads, they're calling them orange. 6mm bright orange team and school glass bead, 15-inch string or 16-inch string. These definitely are not orange. When I opened these up, my granddaughter said, "Those aren't orange, they're yellow." And that is from the mouth of a 4-year-old. So they do kind of look like a spirit yellow though. Kind of like that gold color that you'll see in team colors. Now, this next thing here is about a 1-ounce apricot fluff designer glass bead mix. These are really pretty, and they're very weighty. At least these two are right here. I would not use these for earrings for sure. It'd be too heavy for earrings. Let's see, let's get these out. We got 2 of those, 3. And then we have some of these little beads. Some of these kind of remind me a little bit of sea glass because they're kind of a brushed tint to them. Some of them are shiny though. Oh, one's broken. Ugh. But they're definitely an apricot or peachy color. Let me get these back in the bag here, and we're going to open up another bag. And these next beads are about a 1 ounce bag, bronze electroplated glass bead mix. These are really pretty. Look how sparkly. And we have different sizes. Looks like 2 different sizes. We have small ones are bicones. And these are about, I'm thinking they're about a 10 millimeter faceted bead. Yeah, 10 millimeter. Those are really pretty. Let me get this back in the bag before I get them all over the floor. Whoops, whoop, whoop. I don't want these on the floor for my little almost 1-year-old crawling around there. He'd have a heyday with those. All right. So the next thing we have here, they're calling these an 18 by 8 millimeter gold column spacer bead, and we get 5 beads. Ooh, I like these. Wish they had more in here. So we have holes on the side. Usually you put your string through there, but you could put your string in this way too, kind of give it a different effect. Instead of how you normally do there, you could put them through there. Does that even make sense? But these are really nice. Like I said, I wish there were more. And they're an antique gold. So the next thing we have here are 14 by 10 millimeter blue faceted bicone glass beads. We have 8 of them. I think we had these before. And these kind of have like an aurora borealis tint to them. I see a little bit of purples and greens in there, but they're definitely blue. They're really pretty. We've got a couple of more things here. Next thing is a 50 millimeter heart birds bronze pendant. Now, we've got bronze here. This is like an antique bronze. And then we had this gold. You know, I like to mix my metals, but most people do not. And honestly, I probably would not mix these 2 metals together. So I kind of think they missed the mark here. But look at this pendant. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a couple of birds on there and some plants of some sort. Maybe they're in a tree. But it has a really beautiful pendant. So now we've got the Finders Kit. They're calling this the Findings Starter Kit. It includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster clasps. And we've got a gold tone. And each box will have this Findings Kit. If you are looking for a gift for somebody who maybe makes a little bit of jewelry or that's just starting out, this would be a great gift for them. But we have all the different findings that, see, there's the stretch cord, we've got beading cord. These are really good head pins. I love their head pins. There's the beading wire. We've got lobster claws. Their jump rings are nice too. And the crimp beads, I don't use crimp beads, but you can use those as spacer beads. And of course there was the memory wire too in there. But here we are. We have the gold and the bronze. I really don't like those two together. Missed the match there, sorry. And one thing I forgot, this is a 16-inch black cord necklace with clasp and chain, and we have silver here. So now we have 3 metals. I would not put these 3 metals together. But this is what we have in this month's curated bead box called Sunshine Lollipops. I love the colors. And I'm going to have a lot of fun creating. I do have a coupon code and information how you could get your curated bead box down in the description box below. So if you're interested in that. And I'll be making some stuff with all this. Not for sure what I'll be making, but stay tuned for another video. And let me know down in the comment section below, do you or have you ever gotten curated bead box? And let me know if you like it. I want to thank y'all for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.